Well, good morning. This is Dave down here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. We're at the Fifth Wheel lot today. Today we're going to show you the 27 Chaparral RKS. So we're going to go ahead and start. We got our full front fiberglass cap, nice huge awning, lights underneath, nice solid steps that they're starting to put in, tons of storage, outdoor speakers. Then let's go ahead and go on inside. As you step inside, you got your formal living area, nice couch, heated seats. You even got the vibration and your heat and your extended out. Beautiful views, full big slide, seating for 4 with add-a-leaf. You even got a desk back here, so you could pretty much live in this thing and be quite comfortable. Solid surface countertops, nice oven, full double door refrigerator. Keep you in stock and food for a long time. Nice big screen TV, electric fireplace. Let's go ahead and go on upstairs, point things out on the way. Nice fan up top, AC back there, full control panel, digital setup, thermometer, even got your wind guard on the roof. Nice big bathroom, porcelain toilet, plenty of room for everything you need. Then as you step into the bedroom, you got another bedroom slide here. Nice queen size bed, place for all your clothes. And then you also have a washer and dryer hookup in here. So you're all set to go. Big fridge, washer and dryer hookup, nice bed. You even got another AC, so you're ready to go. Well, thank you. My name's Dave Salverson, 541-968-8816. Thank you.